What is up, everybody? Brad here with Next Gen Headlight Restoration, and welcome back to another episode. So in today's video, I am doing a 2007 Toyota Solar. So I kind of want to document what's going on with this passenger side headlight. I've noticed with the Toyota Lexus brands, some models have an issue with the passenger side headlight where it has a very light tint to it. It's like a yellowish tint. So don't get me wrong, this headlight does have some oxidation on it, so it is hazing. However, you'll see in the finished part of this video that it does still have kind of the tint to it. I explained to the customer before I even did the headlight restoration about this known issue. It's not something you can really see on camera. It's something that you have to be physically there. You can see it. So anytime if you're in the business and you do some of these Lexus Toyota brands, it's definitely a good idea to thoroughly inspect the passenger side headlight, because the really weird thing about this is that it's always the passenger side. It's never the driver's side. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next video.